Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
K21 na tayo. Analyzation. This is analyzation. Which among the following is not included in the principles of key control? In the principles of key control. Okay? So, key should be counted at the beginning of the working day. Letter B, master key should be in minimum. Letter C, investigation must be done when the key is lost. And letter D, keys should be marked to identify doors of locks, not that they open. What is the answer, guys? Analyzation to eh. Usually, ganito naman ang uri ng board exam. You need to analyze the situation. Anong sagot, guys? What is the answer? So, ang pinakamalayo ditong sagot na hindi mo dapat, yun ang sagot mo is yung letter A. Kasi that is in accordance with the principles of key control na every day, before the start of the working day, dapat binibilang mo ang susi. Protocol yun eh. Okay? Baka may nawawala ka ng susi at hindi mo pa alam, magsisimula na yung working day. Mako-compromise ang trabaho mo. Okay? Then, yung sumunod, okay, is letter C. Investigation must be done when the key is lost. That is also a protocol. Kapag may nawala, investigation agad. So, your answer should be between B and D. Anong tamang sagot? The answer is letter D. Not included. Why? Hindi dapat naka-indicate, naka-mark, no, kung anong bubuksan nung susi. Susceptible ka sa pilferage. Tandaan nyo, guys. Susceptible ka. Yung magnanakaw, parang pinadali mo ang buhay. No? Kasi ma-identify niya yung room kung saan niya pwedeng pasukin. You can mark the key but coded. Pwede namang coded. No? Nakatrabahador lang or kayo ang nakakaalam ng pinagbubuksan. Master key should be in minimum. Tama naman yan. That is a principle of key control. Imagine, kung maraming master key, okay, so maraming makaka-access sa mga locks. Maraming makakapasok. So, please remember that is, no, the answer is letter D in number 21. 22 na tayo. What is the system of natural or man-made barrier placed between the potential intruder and the matter or object being protected? So what is the answer in number 22? Okay. So, kapag ang pinakamalayong sagot dito, guys, is yung personnel security. Okay? Pag yun ang sagot mo, medyo malayo na yun. Kasi it involves, no, investigation of person to determine their suitability for work. Imbestigahan yung iyong morality, PSI, personnel, okay, security investigation. They will determine your attitude, your behavior, your morality, your integrity, your discretion. Okay? Your discretion. So, that is PSI. Kung suitable ka for a certain position. Kaya nga guys, no, kapag nag-apply kayo sa Philippine National Police, upon the submission of folder, the background investigation will roll. No? Gugulong na ang pag-iimbestiga sa inyo. We should be mindful of our act and behavior towards our community Because kapag kunyari marami tayong kagalit sa ating barangay, pag nabingo ka at sila ang napagtanungan, ay medyo no, magkakaroon tayo ng derogatory record. So let us pakita natin kung nadisiplinado ang isang criminology graduates or criminologists. So hindi personal security, hindi rin communication security. Okay? Kasi ito ay protection against the interception of communication, no? So, yung tatlong threats diyan, pinag-aralan natin nung intelligence, yung bugging, wiretapping, and eavesdropping. Okay? So, hindi communication security. Document security, hindi. Mamaya, we will going to discuss yung ano ba yung mga aspect niyan. Like, for example, yung ano ba yung tinatawag na vital document, useful document, okay, important document, and non-essential documents. And then, under din yan ng document security, yung mga security classification. And yung reclassify, declassify, just like that. No? So, under din niya yung security classification na top secret, secret, na confidential, and restricted. So, mamaya, I will going to discuss that. So, ang sagot dito, physical security. Yan yung barriers. Either human barrier, it's either man-made mga types of barrier like human, animal, okay, na natural, energy, and structural. Kumbaga, no? Kung iyong gagawing abbreviation, human, animal, natural, energy, at structural, ito ay magiging brand ng underwear. Hanes. Okay? Parang pinopromote ko pa yung brand ng underwear. Okay? Hanes. Okay? So, the different types of barrier. So, the answer is bravo. Tama si Angel. Tama si Angelo. So, proceed na tayo rito. Ang minimum age requirement for security manager or operator of security agency is ilang taon? What is your answer? What is your answer? Okay? So, masyado nang malayo ang ang 40 years old. Tanda na naman nun. Although, yung mga nagiging security manager and operator, prepared nilang mga security agency at company guard forces, yung mas matanda. Pero when it comes to minimum age, no, hindi siya 40. Sumunod na malayong sagot, yung Delta, 35, hindi rin 35. Masyado na rin matanda. Hindi rin 30. So the answer is 25. Guys, tama, no, si Angelo, si Raven. Okay, very good. So let us now proceed to this one. Number 24 na tayo. Placing acid resistance padlock on strong metallic doors of warehouses ensure the total protection of the properties within. This statement is not true from the standpoint of security principle, true and applicable in all warehouses. Letter C, it depends. Letter D, definitely correct from the standpoint of security principle. So let us analyze this question, okay? Para matandaan natin. So, kasi meron tayong tinatawag na principles of security. Ito yung command responsibility. Ito yung the security is concern of all. Okay, yun ang sumunod. Then yung tinatawag nating security over efficiency. Okay, those are the principles of security. So, placing acid-resistant padlock in strong metallic doors of warehouse ensure total protection. The statement is, so may sumagot ng letter C si Raven, may sumagot din ng letter D si Angelo. So, ang pinakamalayong sagot dito is alpha, no? A ang pinakamalayong sagot dito. Okay? So, ang sagot, guys, that true, the best answer for number 24 is delta. Definitely correct. Kasi, okay, tandaan nyo yung security over efficiency. Mas okay na gumastos ka dahil gumamit ka ng acid-resistant padlock which is more pricey than the normal padlock. But ito ay sa strong metallic doors na maaaring magkaroon ng effect doon sa padlock kapag hindi siya acid resistant, na maaaring ma-wear agad ang padlock. To ensure total protection, gumamit ka nito. That is definitely correct because security over efficiency. So, delta is the answer. So let us now proceed to this one. Protective lighting, perimeter barriers, and blank system are known in industrial security and physical security. So what is the answer for this one? So, malayo ang relieving. That is the pinakamalayong sagot, ang relieving. Then, reporting. Malayo din yon. So, accounting, definitely no. The answer is guarding system. So, aside from protective lighting, perimeter barriers, okay, guarding, yun ang basic ng physical security at sa mga industry. Okay, although wala pa diyan yung guys, yung iba pang aspeto ng physical security like yung mga protective storage natin and protective cabinets natin. Okay, wala pa diyan yung protective alarm. So, please remember that.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!